Now we'll experiment with inelastic collisions. For our first run, we want to send equally massed gliders toward each other. So you can see here that I have the glider with 3 accessories on it, so they are both at 180 grams. So we're going to ignore the first 2 numbers in gate 1. But here we go. For this first run, we're going to send them toward each other at approximately equal speeds. So let's see how this works. And that worked really well, we think. Those velocities look great. Let's take a look at Spark View. So if you look here at run 3, glider 1 came in, moving to the right at 0.31, and glider 2 came in, gate 2, moving to the left at 0.30. So we can see that they were approximately the same velocity. That's wonderful.